Hi, welcome to the channel. This is Peugeot 2008 2016 model. Basically, this car been to the couple of garages and they couldn't sort out the problem. And another local garage refer me and they came to me. We'll see what's going on there. Have a look the dashboard. This side AdBlue light flashing, and he said engine management was there. It's not there anymore because the garage might be reset. And this side you can see the service light on, and also in the middle countdown mileage 100 miles. After that it won't start at all. Right, that's why at the moment this vehicle suffering. Right, first of all, like this problem I need to check with my computer. I got the faulty codes. It's saying P204800 intermittent AdBlue stroke DEF injector control short circuit to ground. Right, it's saying according to the faulty codes something not right. Could be damaged injector, could be wiring damage, or could be poor AdBlue quality. Yeah, first of all, like this problem, I'm going to the tailpipe. Right, I have some evidence. You can see this. Right, have a look this crystallizing stuff. Yeah, right. My first suspect, this AdBlue injector not right. Okay, we'll see inside the tailpipe. Yeah, all white crystallizing. Yeah, right. Okay, we found the one problem. Once you found the one problem, hooray! I found the problem. Don't skip other point, because when you skip other point you will get the wrong diagnostic sometime. Because of that, go to the until end. We know exhaust system not right, too much AdBlue into the exhaust system. That's the first problem. Right, next step, this AdBlue tank we can reach from here. I'm going to take a sample and find out what's going on. It's underneath here. Right, I'm going to take a sample. Right, yeah, 34.5. Yeah, and next thing, this vehicle has a contaminated AdBlue. That's one also not good for the system. If it contaminated AdBlue, it's ending with like this crystallizing, because the too much urea mean too much crystallizing. Then that's one also not good. Definitely this car need a change or flush AdBlue tank and refill with good quality AdBlue. Right, okay, I want to check how is the AdBlue pressure, because I feeling this pump shouldn't work like this way. We'll see the Denox. Yeah, you can see at the moment 4 bars. I'm going to hold the RPM around 3000. I hold 4-5 minutes, nothing happened. This pressure still same. Right, okay, next step, according to the plan, jack up the car, check underneath and check AdBlue injector. Then I'll show you what's going on there. I already changed the AdBlue injector, special function, part replacement, work on a emission control, injector replacement. Okay, right, you can see now all light disappeared. I'm going to ignition off and start the car. You can see this side service light disappeared and AdBlue sign disappeared. Yeah, right, still faulty code there. What we need to do, we need to erase this faulty code. Faulty code not cleared because engine on. Okay, ignition on again. Erase code. Ignition off and wait 30 seconds. Ignition on. Okay, right, I'm going to read faulty code, no trouble code. Right, okay, fine. Exit from here. I'm going to keep start the car and I'm going with live data to road test and have a look what's going on there. Yeah, at the moment still 4 bars. Yeah, after the road test I'll come back to you. First of all, I'm going to make it 0 this mile. Yeah, then I'm going to take to the road test. Took it to the road test 2 miles and came back. You can see it's went 5.3, now 5.023. Yeah, I saw something changing, but this pressure not like a good condition pressure, but however at the moment it's okay. Basically this car need a new AdBlue injector and we need to flush the AdBlue tank and refill with good quality AdBlue. Then after that we need to take to the good motorway journey, at least 20 miles or 30 miles. Then after that we have all answers, but at the moment I can say confidently this car need a new AdBlue injector. We already changed AdBlue injector for the temporary purpose and we didn't flush the tank yet, but I need to get approval from the customer and I'll come back to you. Thank you. Right, flush the AdBlue tank and also change AdBlue injector. Then vehicle has a good quality AdBlue and brand new AdBlue injector. Right, next step, I got my all data I needed and I'm going to 20 miles motorway journey. After the motorway journey I'll come back to you. Right, came out from the motorway, no any funny warning light. What I'm going to do at the moment, you can see the 5.48 the pressure, it's good. I'm going to switch off, start, again switch off, start. Right, I have to go another, might be 2 miles to garage. From here to garage I will stop and start maybe 10 times. Then after that, once I go to the garage, I'll come back to you. Right, went to the motorway around 21 miles and came back to the garage and 10-15 times while I on the urban road, switch off, start the car. Still no any funny warning light at the dashboard. And also I'm going to exit from here and I want to take a faulty codes, have a look any Philippine faulty codes there. Communication with P2048. Yeah, this message I didn't see, I saw only the faulty code for the AdBlue problem, but however I'll keep it eye this message, but at the moment I don't want to too much worry because no any funny warning light. Yeah, at the moment all success. We just change the AdBlue injector and what do you call the flush the AdBlue tank. We'll see what happened to the tailpipe. Wow, they has too much AdBlue. I think not now, maybe previous time. Yeah. Anyway, that's one also we need to keep it eye for the future. We'll see what happened to the front end. We already changed that blue injector. Right. Have a look new AdBlue injector. I can't see any leak in that side. That's one also another good sign. Right. Okay. And after that, I'm going to jack up the car. Install this under tray cover. Right. This is Peugeot 2008. You know what's going on and what happened. All good at the moment, but we need to keep it eye. I don't know what's going on for the AdBlue in the exhaust. I feel it might be it's damaged the DPF. However, we need to remove the DPF and have a look. But at the moment, all good. I can thumbs up, and I saw the all pressurize the system. Before I didn't see any pressurize the system. But however, still there is a U1218 faulty code there. I need to find out what's going on. Apart of that, the problem he came all sorted. Thank you. See you with the next video. If you need to sign up with our WhatsApp group, Facebook group, there is a link. I will add the description. You can click that link and you can join with us, our community, and you can ask many questions there. Okay. See you soon.